Is it? All right, so I just got some RAM for my PC. I originally had 2 8GB sticks, so now I'm going to get 2 16GB sticks so I can get 32GB of RAM, and I'm pretty excited. Okay, so obviously if I'm going to start operating on a PC, I cannot be wearing a like super staticky sweater and pants, so I'm gonna change out of those and then I'll be right back. Had a pretty cool transition idea. Yep. Oh my lord. Whew. Okay, so obviously before you start anything, you of course have to rid yourself of any static electricity, and you can do that by touching any form of metal. Okay, so I'm actually gonna touch some metal now. This is what I did when I built my PC. I just touched this a bunch because I was scared I was gonna electrocute my PC. All right, so do the same thing. Let's open it up. And then RAM is like really simple to put in and take out. I'm not gonna tilt my PC on its side because I don't want to, and that's just a lot of work for me. So I'm just gonna pop it in and pop it back out. So currently having the other G-Skill RAM because I thought 16 was gonna be enough, but it was not. So all you gotta do is, one of these latches are poppable, so either this one or this one can pop out. I'm not sure which one, so it's this one. So all you're gonna do is pop it out like that, and then you're gonna do it on the other side because sometimes they can be popped out, but in this case they can't. So all you do is just tug at it a little. Okay, so I actually got one out, but I ended the recording. So I had the rip jaws before, so I'm gonna put those to the side, and then let's pop this one out. Yeah, not really. Okay, so now this one is out, and we are all good and ready to put the new one in. All right, here we go. I'm really excited for the RGB. All right, opening this. They got the nice tape. They got the nice tape on it, so I gotta put some scissors in. Always be careful when you're handling PC parts or any electronic parts in particular. Here are the RAM sticks. Oh, it comes with a sticker, which I'm quite excited about as well to add to my collection. So here they are. So when you are installing RAM, you need to make sure to line this little divot up with how it looks on your motherboard. The smaller part of the RAM typically goes on the bottom, so I am going to install it. Okay, got the first one in. Now it's time to get the second one in. But I got it. Okay, and usually you want to push one end first before the other, typically the one with the little slot, and then you want to push these in as far as they go. And I know it might seem like you're breaking everything, but you got to hear that click at the bottom. Moment of truth. Probably has to recognize. Oh! Don't worry, guys. The red light is okay. It does that. Wow. I have not seen RGB RAM in my PC before, but I am very happy about it. So, RAM. Yeah, nice. The RGB has stopped going, so we're gonna make that work and then be right back. All you gotta look up is the software to whatever RAM you have if you don't know what to search up, because that's what I'm doing. And see, latest lighting control, official website. Yeah, I understand why it has to restart. Okay, restart and then come back to me, okay? Don't leave me hanging like this. Let's see what happens. Oh, cool. Alright, so as soon as I opened it up, the RAM started showing in like rainbow primary color kind of thing. I'm gonna make it static and green. And then I think I have to press apply for it to work. Oh. Wow, isn't that nice? Yeah, this is cool.